Hello, Liberty families. I am Tiffany Roisland, and this year I am teaching a combination ELL class of Intermediate 2 and High Intermediate students. I'm also teaching English 9 for ELL. In this short introduction video, I would like to show you how to contact me and where to find information for your students' classes. If you ever need to get a hold of me, the easiest way is by emailing roisland.tiffany@iowacitysschools.org. I post everything for our classes in Canvas. If you go to the dashboard and click on it, it will show all of your students' classes. For my ELL class, it looks like a globe with lots of flags. There is some introductory information here, a welcome message, and here on this very first page you will find the Zoom links for my class. You can get it here in the Monday, Wednesday, Friday block on the calendar, or there's a link here to our ELL Zoom room, and then again a link to email me. Everything is listed in modules, so if you click on modules, and then find today's date. It goes by week. And so currently we're in the week of September 14 through 18. And we have class on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and homework on Tuesday and Thursday. So whenever you click that day, it will show what your student needs to do. There's a Zoom room, there's a slideshow that we're working through, and then they have made a copy of the Google Doc that they are working in. The same is true for our English 9 class. If you click on English 9, the page looks the same. It has my welcome video, the link to Zoom for class days, and again the Zoom link and my email. For English 9, also if you go to modules, you will see that every day is listed out, and you simply need to click on the day to see what it is we're doing in class. So I hope that helps you understand what to do with your student when they are at home working hard, and I'm very excited to have the students hopefully come back to the building soon, and we will see each other then. Thank you so much, and please let me know if you have any questions.